Welcome to the bacteria minor simulation. In this simulation, you will determine the conditions that result in the greatest production of copper from ore. To begin the simulation, click the Sim tab. This simulation consists of two sections, the metal test and the bacteria minor. In this case, I will begin with the metal test. However, please note that you can begin with either test. In the metal test part of the simulation, you will analyze the effect of storing copper in different solutions. To begin the metal test, click on the metal test button. Go ahead and place a piece of copper in each of the two beakers. Next, click the Run button. This will advance the time by 1 day. Note that the current day is marked by a miner's cart on the tracks above the number of the current day. Continue to press the Run button while observing the day-by-day changes in the beakers. Once you have completed all 7 days, you can click the number of a day to see the results for that day. Once you have finished making your observations, or at any time during the simulation, click the Reset button to begin again with new samples. After you have finished the metal test, click the Bacteria Minor button to move on to the Bacteria Minor section of the simulation. To begin the simulation, click the broth beaker to pour broth into the test tubes. Next, measure the pH of both test tubes by dragging the pH meter to each tube. After you have measured and recorded the pH of both test tubes, click the bacteria beaker to add the bacteria to the test tubes. Next, put both of the test tubes into the incubator and press Start. After the tubes have finished incubating, press the Run button to advance the experiment by 1 day. Continue to press the Run button while observing the changes that take place until you reach day 7. After you reach day 7, you can click the number of a day to view the results from that day and measure the pH of each test tube. Once you are done collecting your results, or if you need to start over at any time during the simulation, click the Reset button to erase your results and begin the experiment again.